So in this video we are going to learn 10 such words जो आप अपने sentences में अगर use करना शुरू कर दो, I am 100% sure and I give you the guarantee that will sound more like a native speaker. So we'll discuss 10 words with example sentences, and if you start using those words, I am sure you'll sound more professional and like a native speaker. Just एक चीज का ध्यान रखना है, ये words आपको हमेशा informal setups में ही use करना है. Informal मतलब क्या? Informal मतलब वो कंडीशंस या वो सिचुएशंस जहां पर या तो आप अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ हो या रिलेटिव या फैमिली मेंबर्स के साथ हो. फॉर्मल सिचुएशंस मतलब वो होते हैं जहां पर आप अपने ऑफिस में हो या एक प्रोफेशनल सेटअप में हो. तो यहां पर ये जो 10 वर्ड्स हम सीख रहे हैं ये आपको इनफॉर्मल गैदरिंग्स में यूज करना है, जैसे कि आपका फंक्शन हुआ या अगर आप अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ हो. याद रखिए, फॉर्मल सेटअप ऑफिस में, ईमेल्स में या राइटिंग में आपको ये वर्ड्स जरा भी यूज नहीं करने हैं. सो लेट्स हैव अ लुक एट द 10 वर्ड्स. एग्जांपल सेंटेंस देखते हैं. स्टार्ट यूजिंग दीस वर्ड्स and I'm sure you'll start loving this language. The first one is gonna. Gonna is a reduction of going to. So अगर आपको going to कहना है, you can say gonna. Let's take an example. I'm gonna buy a car. Gonna means going to. So actually the sentence is I'm going to buy a car, but to sound more like a native speaker, you can say I'm gonna buy a car. What are you gonna wear? What are you gonna wear means what are you going to wear. So instead of saying again going to wear, we can say gonna wear. Pronunciation पे थोड़ा ध्यान रखना है. It is not gonna, it is gonna. थोड़ा smooth है, fast है, not gonna, it's gonna. What are you gonna wear? Let's move on to the next one. The second one is wanna. Wanna means want to. Let's take an example and try to understand this clearly. So wanna means want to. The first example states I wanna sleep early tonight. मतलब मुझे जल्दी सोना है. I want to sleep early tonight. So wanna को हमने reduce करके want to बोला है. So it is I want to sleep early tonight. Just like natives, we'll start saying I wanna sleep early tonight. Let's take a look at the second example. Do you wanna come with us? Same thing, काफी simple है. Wanna को हमें बोलना है want to. So do you want to come with us? Do you want to come with us? Do you wanna come with us? The third one is have to. Have to को actually में हम have to कहते हैं. So I'll write it as have to. Have to means have to. Let's take a look at the examples again. The first one is I have to go now. Have to, as we have understood, means have to. So the word or the sentence over here will be I have to go now. So अगर आपको किसी को कहना है मुझे जाना होगा अभी, you'll say I have to go now. But now you'll start saying I have to go now. Take a look at the second one. I have to. You have to come inside. So again, have to means have to. So you'll say you have to come inside. You have to come inside. You have to come inside. सिर्फ इसमें आपको एक चीज का ध्यान देना होगा, प्रोनाउंसिएशन है वो प्रॉपर होना चाहिए, काफी स्मूथ होना चाहिए. सो ये have to या ऐसे कुछ मत बोलिए. The pronunciation of this word will be have to. So you have to come inside. The next one is kinda. इसका pronunciation ध्यान रखिए. It is not kinda. Many people say this as kinda, but the pronunciation is kinda. The actual meaning of kinda means kind of. For example, there's some kind of problem with her. Some kind of problem with her means some kind of problem with her. I'm sorry, it will be OF. So there's some kind of problem with her. So you say there's some kind of problem with her. उसके साथ कुछ तरीके का problem है. You'll say there's some kind of problem with her. Second example, this show is kind of boring. हम generally बोलते हैं ये शो या ये मूवी है या सीरियल थोड़ी बोरिंग है, काइंड ऑफ बोरिंग है. इंस्टेड ऑफ सेइंग काइंड ऑफ, यू विल से काइंड ऑफ. सो दिस शो इज नॉट काइंड ऑफ बोरिंग, यू कैन से दिस शो इज काइंड ऑफ बोरिंग. प्रोनाउंसिएशन पर ध्यान रखिए. इट इज काइंड ऑफ. सो दिस शो इज काइंड ऑफ बोरिंग. द फिफ्थ वन इज गिमी. गिमी को एक्चुअली हम इंग्लिश में कहते हैं गिव मी. सो आपको अगर सेंटेंस में कहीं पर गिव मी बोलना है, यू कैन से give me. Let's take an example. Could you give me your pen? Means could you give me your pen. जैसे आपने reduce करके बोला है give me. Second example, can you give me your bag? Same thing, can you give me your bag के बदले हमने बोला है can you give me your bag. Again pronunciation पर ध्यान रखना है, हमेशा हमें बोलना है give me. Can you give me your bag? Can you give me your belt? Can you give me your pen? It will be give me. The sixth one is let me. Let me को actually English में हम कहते हैं let me. Yes, it's that simple. Let me को अगर आपको बोलना है, it will be let me. Let's understand this with the help of an example. Let me help you with this. Let me help you with this. So actually we are trying to say let me help you with this, but here we are saying let me help you with this, which means let me, as we have seen over here. Second example, let me get you a glass of water. So actually आप बोल रहे हैं कि मुझे आपके लिए ग्लास ऑफ पानी लेने दो. So you are saying let me get you, but actually आप इसे reduce करके कह रहे हो let me. So this is let me get you a glass of water, which actually means let me get you. So remember, let me को आपको बोलना है, you will say let me. The seventh one is cause. Actually अगर आपको बोलना है because, you will shorten it and you will say cuz. C-U-Z. Let's take an example sentence. I missed the class cause I was late. So in this, actually you are trying to say that I missed the class because I was late. मैं late हुई इसलिए मैंने class miss कर दिया. So instead of saying because I was late, you will say I missed the class cuz. Please understand the pronunciation. It will be cuz I was late. Second example sentence, I am not gonna eat anything cause I am not hungry. Over here, just the thing is, spelling will be C-U-Z. So you'll say, I am not gonna eat, मैं कुछ नहीं खाऊंगा या खाऊंगी, because I am not hungry. Instead of because, we have reduced it, we use cause, and that's why it is cause. So because I am not hungry, you'll say cause I am not hungry. So because को आपको बोलना है cause. The next one is shoulda. shoulda को actually हम कहते हैं should have. So if you want to say should have, you can say shoulda. Let's take an example sentence. You should have done that. Means actually you're trying to say आपको वो करना चाहिए था. You should have done that. So you should have done that. Instead of should have, we have used shoulda. So it is you should have done that. Second example, you should have come. Means you should have come. आपको आना चाहिए था. You should have come. So आपने should have के बदले should have लगाया है, and the sentence, the pronunciation of this whole sentence has become you should have come. You should have come. You should have come. The ninth one is coulda. Coulda is actually the same as shoulda. Shoulda means should have. Coulda means could have. So अगर आपको बोलना है could have, you can say coulda. जैसे हमने should have में shoulda बोला है, same ways it is coulda. Example sentence, you could have done that. Means you're trying to say you could have done that. आप वो कर सकते थे. So instead of you could have done that, you will say you could have done that, or you could have done that. Let's take a look at the example. You could have done that. So actually आपको कहना है you could have done that. मतलब आप वो कर सकते थे. Instead of saying could have done that, as we have learnt now, we can say could have, coulda. So it will be you could have done that. Let's have a look at the second example. You could have called us before coming. So same over here. Same over here. Coulda आपको बोलना है could have. So you could have called us before coming. आप हमें कॉल कर सकते थे आने से पहले. Instead of could have, you say coulda. So you could have called. You say you could have called us before coming. The next one is woulda. जैसे हमने shoulda देखा means should have. Coulda देखा means could have. Similarly, I'm sure you must have understood. Woulda means would, and you're right, have. So example sentence देखते हैं, काफी सिंपल है. I'm sure आपको समझ ही गया होगा. She would have called us if her phone was working. Would have called us means would have called us. उसने कॉल किया होता अगर उसका फोन चल रहा होता. किया होता she would have. Would have, woulda. She would have called us if her phone was working. इसमें मैंने एक ही example sentence दिया है. I want you guys To make one more example sentence, comment कीजिए. I'm sure आपको शुडा, वुडा और कुडा देख के आपको समझ ही गया होगा किस तरह से आपको वुडा के लिए example sentence लगाना है. So comment कीजिए अपना example sentence. I'll be checking it, and that's the way through which you practice by making example sentences, by making mistakes, and that's how you'll be learning. I'll be checking each and every comment that you post, each and every example sentence that you post, so please do post it. And if you have liked this video, and if this video has made you speak more like a native speaker, अगर आप ये कुडा, गिमी, लेमी ये सारे words अपने sentences में डालते हो, obviously you're going to sound more like a native speaker. So start using these words in your sentences. And if you have liked this, please consider liking this video, share it with all your friends, subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.